Choosing the wrong screen recorder can prove to be a costly mistake. Not only will it cost you time, but it will also cost you money. Hence why I've created this tutorial comparing two of the best screen recorders at the moment, Tella versus Supercut. In it, I'll be highlighting the pros and cons, features, and use cases. We'll also be comparing the pricing, so you'll be able to make an advised decision on which screen recorder is best for you depending on your particular need. Now, let's dive in. Quick disclosure before going in, I've added links in the description and pinned comment which will allow you to use either one of these platforms for free, and it will also help to support the channel if you decide to purchase either one. Tella is a browser and app-based screen recorder, so it gives you two options. You can either simply go onto tella.tv and from there you can select record and you'll be able to start recording your screen and camera. Or if you would like to get their app, you can also do that. And it is available on both devices, whether you're using a Windows device or an Apple device. Another thing that I like about Tella is the ease of use. With Tella, it is quick to set up, as you can see. Simply go onto tella.com, from there tap on record, or quickly install the app and you can start recording. They offer numerous layout options. What do I mean by layout options? And by the way, I'm using Tella screen recorder to do this tutorial. As you can see right here, this is the layout that I'm using for this video. To change it, I can go over to the right hand menu option, select layout. After selecting layout, you can see different layout options I can select from. So this is what I mean. Instead of being limited to, for example, Loom, where you only get a little circle right here, you have different layout options that you can choose from. So you can change up your style. You can also change the background if you want, as you can see right there. There are numerous options that you can select from. And when it comes onto editing, it's quite straightforward to do. For example's sake, let's say I would like to edit this video. I'll go over to the top right hand corner, select cut. After tapping on cut, I can either choose to use their AI features to find mistakes, remove buffers, remove silence, or remove filler words. Or I can choose to edit it manually, which is even easier. By tapping on transcript, you can use their feature which allows you to simply select the text that you would like to remove, then tap on delete from video, and just like that, you have edited your tutorial. And when it comes on to sharing Tella videos, it's even easier. You can tap on download in the top right hand corner, select either HD or 4K, then tap on start export, and it will instantly export your video in MP4. You can also tap on share, and from there, if it is a case that you would like to embed it, you can do that. Also, if you're, for example, using it for internal purposes and you would like to add a call to action button, just like what you'll normally do with Loom videos, you can also do that with Tella, even as a complete beginner. Now, let's talk about Supercut. Supercut is also new on the market as far as I can see. And when it comes on to Supercut, it offers numerous features. Some standout features that I like about Supercut is it offers AI features which allow you to easily edit. In a sense, this is one of the major pullbacks that I have with Supercut. If you were to tap on edit in the top right hand corner right here, you can see at the moment they don't have an editor. So you are not able to go in depth and edit your tutorial, which is a major con in my book, because you are going to be making mistakes and you would like to add your own personal touches. Instead, you only have access to their auto edit option. The auto edit option is basically an AI feature which will allow you to use their AI, as you can see right there, to edit your tutorial. So if you like to do that, you can. But some standout features when it comes onto Supercut is by tapping on customize, you'll be able to change your layout quite easily. They offer numerous layout styles, so you can see right there. I can do cutout, you can see different options. And also, if you would like to change the background, you can do that. You can blur the background by simply tapping on blur. If you would like to change the camera background, you can toggle on camera background, and you can see different options right there. You can also change the screen background. So it does give you a lot of options. And also it integrates AI features, as you can see right here. The only pullback I would say when it comes onto this is, first you will need to install the app, so it is not web-based. So if you are someone that does not want to install any other apps on your device, this would not be the platform for you. Second of all, it does not have an editor at the moment, so it says coming soon. And also when it comes onto, for example, ease of editing, it doesn't have an editor again. So if we were to compare them via pricing, with Tella, you can get started for $26 per month and it can go up to $39 per month. At the moment, I'm using the $26 per month plan, and you can see that we get access to a lot of features. So I would say all you need to do is go with this $26 per month plan. If we were to check out the pricing of Supercut, you can see right here, their monthly plan begins at $18. And they also offer a free trial. Both platforms offer a free trial. So you can select whichever one of these options you'd like to use. But if you want a platform that will allow you to record tutorial videos or edit your videos and also offer numerous layouts and editing options integrated with AI, I would recommend that you go with Tella. Not only is it beginner friendly, easy to use, but it offers numerous features. On the other hand, if you're looking for a platform that is easy to use, mainly depends on AI and offers numerous layouts as you see earlier, you can go with Supercut. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.